that garbage stinks. Yikes. That is bad. That is rank. I gotta air this out. Whew. Okay, we're off. Oh, I have got to find a garbage dumpster or something somewhere, anywhere. Oh my. I opened the door and it was like, even though the garbage bag was closed, it was just stinky. If I see a mall or a plaza or something, I'll see if I can scooch in behind and look for a dumpster. A lot of the dumpsters now, they're locked. They lock them up. This is becoming more and more of a problem, you know. I'm going to have to start burning my garbage whenever I can get to a spot. Timmy's, found one. Woohoo, yes! Okay, I saw a sign for a dump station, but it turns out it's only for local residents. You have to have a card. But she did tell me that if I was going to Peterborough, there's a spot there. It's a private, like family owned. So they're going to charge big. They're going to charge me like $10 just to dump that one little bag. So let's go check it out. I don't know that I'm going right into Peterborough because it's kind of the other way. But, whew, that stinks. I got to get rid of that. Back to Bridge North and the Causeway. Very famous causeway, at least in these parts. It says I've arrived. 409. Yep, here it is. Right here. He said to pull in by the wood pile. Down by the water. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. Oh man. So he wants me to back down there by the wood pile. Okay. We're on a really big slant here. Let me make sure I'm where I'm supposed to be. Let's get out and have a look. Look at this. Got speedboats coming in. Might have to get the drone up. Isn't this gorgeous? Ooh, this dock is rocking. I gotta check my tire pressure. That looks low to me. All right, let's get set up. Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm at a place called the Gannon Narrows. It's a connector between Pigeon Lake and I believe Buckhorn Lake. It's quite an amazing spot. I don't want to show you too much of it because the owner has asked me not to. So I do respect that. I will respect their privacy for sure. But the lake I can show you for sure. You've seen it on the drone already. Today's busy. It's kind of late too. I got to try and get to my next destination within the next 5 hours. But I really have to find a dump station and I have to do laundry. Those are important. I would also possibly like to maybe go and pick up some supplies like food and stuff. This is the last booking that I have, but I'm going to try and get a couple more just because I'm having so much fun out here. It's pretty cool. Okay, I found a provincial park that's half a mile away, or sorry, half an hour away. I wish it was half a mile away. And then it'd be another almost hour to get back near where I wanted to go. I think the best idea is to go there to the dump first, drop off my garbage because it is a provincial park, and then stop in Peterborough, do some laundry real quick, and also, you know, and then from there I probably have only maybe 20 minutes to get to my spot. I think that's doable. Look, it's a lot. It really is a lot.